Alright, don't mind my cluttered garage. It's still a work in progress, getting everything out of the way to work on the car and keep it stored in here out of the lovely Indiana weather we got going on. It's raining all day today and probably tomorrow from the hurricane that went through Texas. So we'll be working on the Type R today. You got my jack stands that Tyler made for his Mustang to keep it out of the water. And jack stands, and what we're going to be doing today is right here in this box. I already opened it up earlier to check everything. Got our engine exhaust. See, full exhaust system. We got the rear hangers for it. Mid pipe right there, and the front is under there. So we're gonna be taking the stock one off and putting this one on, getting rid of all of that. Shouldn't take too long at all. It's the only thing that's not covered up by everything else. Got our new stickers for the window. I cleaned up the wheels real good and everything else, so they're not too bad. Can't really see it from right there. Hard to sit so low. Take it off. Should sound pretty good once we get this engine exhaust on. Like I said, it shouldn't take too long. I'm just going to get it up on jack stands right now, and then Tanner will be off work to come over and help. I ordered the engine exhaust from the Elite Race Fab. Ordered it off the internet. It just got delivered a little bit earlier today. So we will got the fasteners here and gaskets. I'll take those off after we install it and everything else. And I got some new fog lights right here too, since the other ones broke. Got these LEDs right here. Hopefully they're pretty bright. Alright, so I got it up on the stands. This is Zoe. Say hi, Zoe. Zoe's a good girl, aren't you? You help me work on this? Huh? Yeah. Alright. Stay out from under the car, though. No. Stay out from under the car. Watch out. I know, you just want to help. Watch out. Hey, get back. I know. Don't lick me. Get out from under the car. So I gotta take this cover off right here. It's got 4 bolts on the bottom, and then one of those push clips on each side. So we'll get to working on that. I'll take the side clips off last. 10 mil for this. So that's cool. My neck hurts. My neck hurts too much to hold my head up anymore. Kind of a hassle to even lay under there. My neck hurts and I start getting migraines and all kinds of stuff. But it came with 3 of the gaskets and some nuts and bolts. Whenever we get it all up there, we'll hang it loosely so we can make sure everything's fitted right, and then we'll go back through and tighten everything up properly. Get in here and spray this. I'll hit it with some WD-40 for now. No. Alright, so we got the exhaust coming back here. Dude, I pinched myself so bad earlier on that. Can you see that? Freaking laying down and I rolled that jack right there, right on my arm like an idiot. Come back here. I'm just amazed at how clean this thing still is. I won't be driving it in the rain though, I'll tell you that. Sorry if you guys are all shaky. I'll call back here so you can see. So we got this. You can see the hangers right here. The new one will go right on there. But then the engine brackets will go out here. Then I'll have to bolt on the exhaust and they'll hang on each side. Get rid of these nasty things. Look how running a little too rich. So we'll have to adjust the map. Now we got it on. Hopefully I can get it to a dyno. Whenever we go up to Streetcar Takeover, I'll talk to somebody up there at Graham Rahal Performance and see if there's somewhere close to Indianapolis, or if one of you guys know if there's somewhere in Terre Haute or Indianapolis that can do some Honda and get this thing tuned up to where she runs well. Oh, Zoe, don't lick me. Zoe. Alright. Let's get up from under here and I'll try to loosen up that exhaust to get that bad boy on. I think the hardest part's going to be holding the wrench on the back side of it if it doesn't spin right off there. So get this nut and extension. Ah, spiders, dude. Gross me out. Oh, it's not in there. Where did I put that? Probably over here where I was just at. Yep. Shout out to Dr. Tunable. Hopefully one day I can learn how to tune my own stuff. I'd like to learn how to do that. Good thing to know. Alright, so what do we got on here right now? 15. Pretty sure it's a 14. So we're gonna roll with the 14. Where we at? 12, 13. Trusty 14. See if that'll slide on those. See, and I have a terrible memory, so I know I put my phone right here. Oh man. Let's set you guys down for a second. You guys back up here. That one does not want to break loose. That one came right out. Score 1 out of 2, 50%. And that one came right off. 66.66%. I think. I'm not good at math. 2 out of 3. Bottom one. Stick one there. At least I can take them out though. Hopefully it'll fall my dome. See if we can get this last one out with it. That is so loud. wasn't even holding it where you guys could see. Alright. Got a little rust on her, so I'll spray her with some better stuff and let it sit a little bit longer, and then we'll come back to it. Alright, sorry. I went inside to talk to my wife and see how the baby was doing. So we got the exhaust. We got the mid right there, so I'm gonna hopefully these, I don't know what sizes are. Might be 15s. Yeah, these ones are 15. On the back side's probably 20. What is it? 17. So the head on the bolt 17, the nut for them is a 15. We got the gasket here to go in between them. We got the jack stand under there to hold that other piece up. But I'll just loosely put them on right now. Oh yeah, let me grab one. Oh, it's in my hand. So yeah, I forget. As soon as I pick something up, I just don't remember. So we'll get this all hung up there loosely. So sweet. Alright, I'm just gonna leave it down here so you guys can see the Again, if this is your first time putting an exhaust on, make sure that you don't tighten stuff up as you go. You leave it loose so that you can adjust it to where you really want it to be at the end. Let's put this one here. Oh man. Drop it right on the GoPro. Thankfully it didn't break it. So now I'd be buying Tanner a new one. Guess that's why you shouldn't put it right under what you're working on, huh? Alright, so that one's up there loosely. Got the gasket in the middle. Once I get it to where I want it, I'll just straighten everything up like that and then tighten it up. And so now we'll go back here and get the back. The only way to learn how to do stuff sometimes is just to do it. Like I said, I've never put an exhaust on my personal vehicle before, but they're probably not all as easy as this one has been. I'll tell you that. This thing is not too bad. Please don't fall on my head. Okay. So now I can see what I'm doing more. That side's in. Let's see. Got that one in there. It's not all the way in. Same with that one. Then those two, it's hard to see, but they go in that one. Those two are kind of in that one just to hold it up for now, so I can get this lined up back here. Have to bring that up. Going from the stock 3-tip to the Injen. Alright. Got it all tightened up. Make sure you start from the front whenever you're tightening up all the bolts and work your way to the back so that you can get it exactly where you want it and get everything lined up flush and get the gaskets where you need them. Just a reminder for the end of the video here, these are 10 mils. There's 4 of them, 2 on each side. I took them off with an impact, put them on with a ratchet so you don't crack your plastic or smash it and all that. 3 14 mil bolts holding that onto the downpipe. You got your hanger right here. 17 mil bolt with the 15 mil nut on the back of it. There's those 2 right there, and then the 2 in the back. And then this part hangs on by the hangers. So this will be the first startup. I haven't heard it yet either. See, it's still cold. So we'll hear it for the first time together. Set you guys back here so we can hear it. Hopefully you don't fall off. And drive it. So that's that. Not too bad. You got the other fan going over here. I'm gonna move it out here to the back to get all these fumes out. We'll get a ride along maybe later today or tomorrow. I really don't want to drive it in the rain after I clean it up real good. We'll see. Thanks for watching my short video. I was solo today because Tanner's still at work. I thought it might have taken me longer than what it did, but it wasn't too bad. So I might get it out here and get it down the road and back before it rains, and I'll take you guys on a ride. Got to get it off these jack stands and we'll see where we go. Alright, I got you guys in my phone holder up on the dash, so it's been raining, but we'll still go for a little cruise down the road. I don't know if you guys will really be able to hear the exhaust or not. Didn't want to take it out while it was raining, but we'll give it a... Hopefully we can get down the road before it gets too bad. match sounds really good. Downshift and everything sounds good. Still got it going. Drive it because it was all rainy and stuff, but we're gonna have to clean it anyway again.
It ain't supposed to rain Thursday, so when are we leaving Thursday?
4.
Just clean it up before we leave.
Yeah.
Just put it in the car wash and then bring it over, then we can wax it.
I'm gonna drive it and then take it back home and I'll make sure everything's still tight. has been the video of the exhaust. I put it on today and drove up to see Tanner at work to let him hear it. So this is the out. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys can do stuff on your own like I did. I mean, you learn as you go, so I'll give my brother a step back. He can edit the video, but
Hey, pop your hood real quick.
make sure to like and subscribe and share the video so we can help it grow. You guys take it easy and have a good one.